Welcome back to our 5th standard science online class. In the previous class, we completed lesson 11. Today, in this session, we are going to write about book back exercise in lesson 11. Dear students, take page number 146 in your science book. Take your pencil and write down the answer very neatly. Let's start. First, A. Objective type questions. First Roman, fill in the blanks with the correct words. First question, Earth is a dash solid sphere. Bracket, uniform or non-uniform. The answer is non-uniform. Second question, dash are formed when meteorites crash into the moon's surface. Bracket, corona or craters. The answer is craters. Take page number 147. Third question. The moon dash a gravity of its own. Bracket, has or does not have. The answer is has. Fourth question. When the earth comes between the sun and the moon, it blocks a lot of the sunlight from reaching the dash and forms the dash eclipse. Bracket, earth or moon, solar or lunar. The first dash, you write the answer moon. The second dash, you write the answer lunar. Fifth one, when the moon comes between the earth and the sun, it forms the dash eclipse. Bracket, solar or lunar. The answer is solar. Second Roman, write T for the true and F for the false statement. First one, mantle is further divided into two layers. The answer is false. Second one, the inner core is a solid ball made entirely of iron. The answer is true. Third one, sun is a dwarf star. The answer is true. Fourth one, we cannot hear any sound on the moon. The answer is true. Fifth one, Edwin Buzz Aldrin was the first man to step on the moon. The answer is false. Third Roman, choose the correct option. First question, which of these is not a heavenly body in the solar system? The options are A. Asteroids, B. Comets, C. Satellites, D. None of this. The answer is D. None of these. Second one, any object that revolves around a planet in a fixed path is called a. The options are A. Satellite, B. Comet, C. Star, D. Meteorite. The answer is A. Satellite. Third one, which of these gases make up the sun? The options are A. Oxygen and ozone, B. Oxygen and nitrogen, C. Hydrogen and helium, D. Hydrogen and oxygen. The answer is C. Hydrogen and helium. Fourth one, which of these is not true about the mantle of the earth? The options are A. It is the outermost layer, B. It is 2900 km thick, C. Magma comes out from here, D. It is rich in iron and magnesium. The answer is A. It is the outermost layer. Fifth one, which of these does not have a light of its own? The options are A. Star, B. Sun, C. Moon, D. All of this. The answer is C. Moon. Sixth one, The moon completes one revolution around the earth in, the options are A 24 days, B 27.3 days, C 29.3 days, D 30 days. The answer is B 27.3 days. Seventh one, in which of these phases the moon is not visible at all? The options are A new moon, B half moon, C full moon, D none of this. The answer is A new moon. Eighth one, in the lunar eclipse, what is the part where the earth totally blocks the sunlight called? The options are A corona, B umbra, C penumbra, D eclipse. The answer is B umbra. Dear students, take page number 148. Fourth Roman, match the columns. Column A, first one mantle, second one core, third one eclipsed, fourth one sun, fifth one Neil Armstrong. Column B, A hydrogen and helium, B iron, C Apollo 11, D magma, E hidden. In column A, first one mantle, match the column B, D magma. In column A, second one core, match to column B, B iron. In column A, third one eclipsed, match to column B, E hidden. In column A, fourth one sun, match to column B, A hydrogen and helium. In column A, fifth one Neil Armstrong, match to column B, C Apollo 11. Next B, very short answer type questions. First, give two examples of the following. First one, give two examples of the elements found in the outer core of the earth. The answer is iron, I-R-O-N, iron. Second one, nickel, N-I-C-K-E-L, nickel. Second one, give two examples of the dwarf planets. The answer is first one, Pluto, P-L-U-T-O, Pluto. Second one, Eris, E-R-I-S. Third one, give two examples of the phases of the moon. The answer is first one, half moon, H-A-L-F-M-O-O-N, half moon. Second one, full moon, F-U-L-L-M-O-O-N, full moon. Fourth one, give two examples of the space mission sent to the moon. The answer is Apollo 11, A-P-O-L-L-O, Apollo 11. Chandrayaan 1, C-H-A-N-D-R-A-Y-A-A-N, 1, Chandrayaan 1. Fifth one, give two examples of the uses of artificial satellites. The answer is exploration, E-X-P-L-O-R-A-T-I-O-N. Second one, TV and radio transmission, TV and radio, R-A-D-I-O, radio transmission, T-R-A-N-S-M-I-S-S-I-O-N, radio transmission. Next, second, give one word for the following. First one, the fixed path in which a planet revolves. The answer is orbits. Second one, a celestial body that orbits a planet. The answer is satellite. Third one, the solid outermost layer of the earth. The answer is crust. Fourth one, thin layer of atmosphere of the sun. The answer is corona. Fifth one, the changing shapes of the moon. The answer is phases of the moon. Dear students, today in this session we completed book bag exercise in lesson 11. Write down the homework, study book bag exercise in lesson 11. Thank you, dears.